Place 2 candles in a saucepan over medium heat to melt them. I never thought something so simple would give me so many benefits. Anyone can do this at home without spending much. Carefully remove the wicks and save them. Then, pour the melted wax into a glass container. Now we need a special ingredient, Vicks VapoRub. This product is a good nasal decongestant, relieves coughs, muscle pain, and general discomfort. But today we'll use it in a different way. You only need a teaspoon. Add it to the glass container and mix well until the Vicks is completely dissolved. After everything is melted and well mixed, we'll move on to one of the final steps. Now we need eucalyptus oil. Just add a few drops. For those who don't know, this oil is very good for respiratory problems because it's antiseptic and expectorant. The next step is to take one of the leftover wicks from the candles and wrap it around a wooden stick, like I'm doing here. Place the wick in the center of the container with the mixture so it works well. When you light this candle, the scent of Vicks with eucalyptus will spread throughout the house. Your neighbors will go crazy trying to figure out how you made your house smell so good.